Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of R with one of the most powerful tools for data wrangling and visualization, the Tidyverse package. If you're new to R, Tidyverse is like a Swiss Army knife for data science. It bundles together several essential R packages like ggplot, dplyr, tidyr, and more, making data manipulation and visualization a breeze. First things first, let's install the Tidyverse package. Simply type in install.packages with tidyverse inside quotes and hit Ctrl plus Enter. Once installed, load the tidyverse package using library function. This ensures all the packages within tidyverse are ready to use in your R session. And there you go, you've successfully installed and loaded tidyverse. In upcoming videos, we'll explore how to use tidyverse to clean, transform, and visualize data like a pro. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching.